So last video, we talked about 4 Singaporean ex-politicians who had extramarital affairs and the psychology behind why people have affairs. So how do you repair or prevent the cracks from forming in your own relationship? Understand that there's no perfect person, no perfect relationship. Everyone is a work in progress. Remember to save this 3L formula. First is liaise. Communicate. Sit your partner down and just tell them, hey, let's talk. And talk with love. Don't accuse, don't do the you did this, it's all your fault. But start with I. Hey, I felt disrespected when you ignored my request to throw the trash. 2. Listen. If your partner is trying to liaise and communicate with you, don't brush him or her off. And stop trying to think in your head and come up with reasons on how to defend yourself. Basically, just listen, acknowledge their feelings, apologize, and then find solutions together. Conflict resolution is so important in a relationship. 3. Love language. Hey, do yourself a favor. Take the 5 love languages test and find out what makes each other tick. Then speak each other's love languages so both of you will feel loved in the way that you want to. A relationship is really such a beautiful thing. Always have love as the premise and both of you will live happily ever after. Follow and save this video.